So are you wondering how you can change your flight, check your booking details or add baggage? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage your flight step by step. Firstly, open your browser and visit the airline or travel booking website. Locate and select Manage Booking. Enter your PNR, booking reference, and surname, then click Search. Once your booking opens, you will see different options such as Change Flights, Check-in. For this tutorial, select Change Flights. You will notice that the flight is already selected. Go ahead and click on Continue. On this page, you can make changes to your itineraries. For example, you can change your travel destination from Lagos to Kano or select a different travel date. After making your changes, go ahead and click on Search Flight. A list of available flights and departure time will appear. Choose the option that works best for you and click Continue. You will then see a fare difference that needs to be paid. In this example, the fare difference is 16,000 naira. Click Continue to proceed. The next page will display a summary of your previous booking and the new changes you have selected. Review everything carefully and confirm that the details are correct. Go ahead and choose your preferred payment gateway. I'll be going with Paystack. Accept the terms and conditions and click Continue. Next, choose your preferred payment method. For this tutorial, I will select bank transfer. Copy the account number, then transfer the exact amount to the account provided. Once this transfer is completed, return to the website and click I have sent the money. You will receive a payment confirmation notification, followed by an email confirming that your booking has been successfully updated. And that's just that, your flight booking has been modified successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification for more step-by-step tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.